Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Dad Technologies. My name is Evan, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing review of my brand new microphone that I'm going to start using for my YouTube channel, and it is the Snowball iCE by Blue. We're going to be doing an unboxing, seeing what's actually in this box, and potentially, hopefully, getting rid of my current microphone, which is just junk. So stay tuned and hit the intro. Okay, so today, once again, we are going to be looking at the Blue Snowball iCE microphone that I just purchased on Amazon. The link will be in the description of the video if you want to get one yourself. And we're going to do a total unboxing. I have not opened this box up at all, so we are going to learn as we go of what accessories are in the box, what it's capable of doing, and initial setup to be able to get it up and running. And hopefully my outro of this video will be on the new microphone, so you'll be able to determine how the microphone actually sounds like compared to my junk microphone, once again, that I currently use. So I'm going to try to do this all in one take. That way you guys don't have to sit here and watch a 20-minute long video. Ignore anything that you see in the background. Everything seems to be pretty well packaged. Definitely solid. So I'll give you one more last look at the box before I dispose of that. The box reads plug and play USB microphone. There's the back of the box. Just gives you some information on what you're capable of doing with the microphone. That might be a little blurry for you guys, unfortunately. You know, it's got a custom condenser capsule, offers crystal clear audio. It is a USB cable microphone and adjustable desktop stand. Crystal clear audio for Skype calls and Twitch streams. Create professional sounding podcasts and YouTube videos. Yay me on YouTube videos. Record instruments, vocals, and entire bands with stunning quality. Each easy plug and play directly into your PC or Mac. No drivers to install. Once again, thumbs up for that. So the other side. Let's start with this part. So I think that one is the actual head of the microphone. Alright, so looks like just a traditional USB and looks like a mini USB port, so not even micro. Looks like it's going to be a mini. I might bring my microphone here a little bit closer to us so it can hear me. The stand. This stand is metal. That is a solid. That is a really solid stand. I mean, this is metal. This isn't plastic or cheap plastic or anything. I kind of like the give of the legs as well, so it's a little bit of a shock, almost. That's pretty cool. In the box, just looks like some quick guides. Looks like you can register the product. Looks like just your manual. So if you're having any issues, troubleshooting, it's kind of just basic setup, but honestly it kind of looks like, here I'll show you the first page. Kind of just looks at maybe just certain decibels and sounds that you're capable of using with this microphone. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. Snowball Blue. It looks like there's a kind of a sticker that's covering everything. Oh, okay, so it looks like there are threads that are inside of there that are going to screw onto the threads that are on the stand. 4 screws on the back, not that you'll need to take it apart. And then your mini USB will plug into right here. The mesh, again, this feels really good quality. It looks like you have a LED that's also right here. Probably just an indicator of power, so if it's on. And the mesh that's on the inside, the mesh on the outside feels metal. So I gotta imagine that is also hefty. The logo. This is a good quality microphone. There isn't anything that feels cheap about this, unlike my current microphone that I use. That one's done me plenty justice, but this one, I think this one's gonna definitely be the winner. So it looks like this just twists on. You probably, let's see, you probably don't want to twist it too okay, there is a really good stopping point on it, so don't twist it any more than what you already have to, than what it allows you to. Okay, so there's that. Good standing. Size, so you have a Galaxy S7. So the size of it, it probably about another inch taller than the Galaxy S7. So maybe if we lay this down, you guys can kind of see a size comparison. Well, that's okay. So the stand is about the size of the Galaxy, and if we brought the head to it, it's probably about half the size of my Galaxy phone. So if you have a Galaxy S7, you can have a general idea of what size this microphone currently is. See if I can lower my tripod here. I can kind of get you at face level with it. There you go. Alright. There you go. There's your size comparison. So with the legs extended out, you're looking, boy, what is that, about 5 inches? 5.5 inches or so. So it's not a very tall microphone, but it definitely is a very durable microphone. So let's get this hooked up on our computer and we will see how it runs. Okay, so I am going to hook this up. Make sure you put it in the right way, unlike me. And I'm gonna find a empty USB port. We'll go that one. And we're gonna plug the microphone in. So it looks like my red power LED is coming on. Okay, let's go to control panel. And my computer currently is not capable of hearing sound. I have the webcam currently disabled for the microphone that the webcam has, so we should really only be hearing what's coming from the microphone right now. So we'll go to sound. We may be getting double. Okay, so it looks like this microphone can hear me. The microphone for the webcam is disabled, so I am going to unplug my junk microphone, and we are officially on the new microphone. What do you guys think? leave a comment below. Let me know what you think the quality is, how good of a microphone you think this might be or may not be. In my personal opinion, I think this microphone is well-versed microphone. It's very attractive on your desk. It is discreet. It's not overly big. It's not gonna really make a difference if it's sitting next to your computer, and it's not gonna break the bank. Speaking of that, let's go to Amazon and just take a quick look at how much we actually paid for this, because I think you're gonna be surprised. For $49 is all you're looking at for this microphone. It comes in 2 colors, black and white. It's only $49. It's not going to break the bank. If you're looking for a good quality microphone, I think this is going to be your choice. And the link for this microphone will be in the description. So if you just want to be able to click on that link, maybe you're ready to purchase a new microphone, you're just waiting for the right review. Hopefully that's the case. If it is, leave a comment. Let me know how my first out-of-box review went. That would be great. And while you're there, you might as well subscribe and hit that like button too on this video. So there you have it. This is the microphone for me for probably years to come on my YouTube channel, and I hope that it holds to its standard of quality as it did when I first pulled this out of the box. And I'm good to go with this microphone. So you just finished watching my first out-of-box review, and I did it on the blue Snowball microphone, which I am going to start having as the standard for my YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please smash that like button. Also, you might as well hit the subscribe button and ring that little bell for notifications on the side. And leave a comment. Let me know how you think I did on my first review. Give me some tips that you might have, or maybe let me know what you think the quality is of the microphone. And also let me know if you're planning on purchasing this microphone, because this thing is dope. The link for the microphone is also in the description. I keep looking over here, and I'm actually looking at the microphone, so I'm not totally crazy for looking down. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.